Alright guys, good evening. Another unboxing and DIY install tayo today ng ating chin mount that I got from Shopee. This is Hansi or Hank, I don't know how to pronounce it. Tignan natin yan. Yan guys, Hansi. I'll share the link down below if you want to purchase. Maraming magandang reviews honestly tong Hansi, kaya I decided to purchase one. This is specific to my helmet. Grabe din yung yung packaging nila, talagang secured. Yan. Of course, Hansi. Alright, so this is it for the Shoei Glamster. Again, specific to my helmet. So marami silang klaseng mounts. Specific. I think they also have a generic one. So I got this for 750 pesos. Ang bilis lang nung shipping, 1-day shipping. I ordered I ordered on before New Year yata, yung 31st, kaso holiday na that time. Dumating siya hapon yata, or kanina. Yan, nag-holiday kasi. So this is 3D printed mount. It has a 3M VHB, which kaya maganda. So very secured. Ang ganda ng pagka-print, ang ganda ng quality. It goes here. And ganda ng fit. And very specific to the Glamster. And then you have the other piece goes right here. There. And another one, this is for, yan, maganda talaga yung fit niya eh. Yan, tas ito. So we have the installation manual. Proudly Filipino design and manufactured, support our local. Yan, may installation guide naman sa likod. Yan. And then of course, ito yung safety tether yata tawag nila dito. So you have an option to use this one or not if you're not comfortable. Meron din silang screws na kasama. So I need to get a screwdriver. Then of course some stickers and cleaning wipes. So that's it for the quick unboxing, and then we'll go ahead with the installation. Okay, we're back. So, kumuha ako ng tools na kailangan natin. So again, we have the parts of the chin. This one goes here. Ito yung safety tether. Ito, itong screw para to, galing to mismo sa Action 4. We have the J mount and we have the straight mount. So yung straight mount, hindi ko na siguro to gagamitin, no? Of course, the screw itself. So, ang ginawa ko kanina, actually, kinat ko muna yung video, pinag-aralan ko kung paano. So, this one goes here. Sinukat ko na rin kasi gusto ko sana siya na hindi naman siya sobrang baba, yung sakto lang. Tapos I tried this on. Yan, kinabit ko yung ganyan kanina. Okay, let me just show you guys real quick. How it will look like. Yan, so ganyan siya mangyayari. Ayoko siya ng sobrang baba. Ayoko rin naman siya sobrang taas na ma-block niya na yung vision. So hopefully, kahit na ganyang kababa, pag nilagay ko yan dun sa compartment ni Vespa, kakasya pa rin kasi yung helmet ko is only medium size. Pasok naman siya dun sa compartment ng Vespa. I'm not sure with the other models. Mine is 2024. I think mas malaki yata yung compartment ng 2024 by a few centimeters. Nakasya yung medium size helmet, full face helmet. So kumuha din ako ng toothpick para madaling ikabit yung safety tether. Tinry ko kasi kanina, medyo mahirap, so mas madali pag gamitan natin yung toothpick. So let's and also I have the blower. Nakita ko kasi yun sa ibang videos, ginagamitan lang ng blower para medyo uminit lang yung 3M para mas maganda yung kapit doon. So, pero lilinisin muna natin siya. And then, tanggalin natin to. And then, let's see. The next step, let's put the safety tether. That's it. Hindi ko alam kung pantay yung ginawa ko. mukhang matindi yung dikit niya. And then, so we put this here. We screw this on. Check na natin na pantay. There. Kasi sa dulo niyan, by the way guys, sa dulo niyan may thread cap. Pag pinasok mo tong screw, mag-thread siya dun sa other side. Last part, kakabit na lang natin yung action cam dito sa mount. Tanggalin ko na siya. Gamitin ko na lang yung magnetic mount niya para mas madali. I'll test this later. Check the correct angle. Make sure it's not distracting. No? Yung distracting our vision. Dapat clear pa rin. Right? So I think basically that's it. That's how you install the Hansi chin mount for the Shoei Glamster. Thanks for watching guys. I hope you subscribe, like, and share this video. Bye!